guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dhwani Sharma. I am really sorry that I've been away from YouTube for some time, but here I am back with another amazing video, and I promise to be regular on YouTube as well. I thought of doing a bag collection video, but however I won't be able to do the for the whole collection because there are a lot of them and I have two houses and the bags are scattered in both the houses. So what I decided to do was I'll show you top 11 of my black bags. Alright, and they were bought in the past 1 year, 1.5 years. So they're very latest collection that I have purchased and I have of the black bags. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so I'll start with the biggest bag. This I bought from H&M. It has a lot of stuff in here. It is my go-to bag whenever I want to carry everything that I have. Everything that I need. When I'm out, I carry this bag because this has a lot of space and it can fit anything and everything in it. It just has like a single button, but I have like pouches and all inside for makeup, like wallet, for jewelry and everything. So this was from H&M and I do not remember prices for all of them, so I'm not revealing prices for any, because if I reveal for some I won't be able to tell you the prices for the others. So I'll try to get the links of the products, but I can't promise that also, but I'll tell you the brands of it. So this is from H&M. Alright, next is this one. This is a handheld bag and this is from Allen Solly. I love the feel. It's very classy. It has one big compartment plus smaller ones inside and one chain here. It was a gift from someone to me on my last birthday, so I definitely do not remember the price. I don't know the price, but this is from Allen Solly and I think it is available on Myntra still, so you can check this out if you like this bag. It's a very classy bag. Okay, next is this one. I personally love this a lot. This has this cushiony feel and it has this golden chain. You can also use it as a shoulder bag and also as a crossbody bag. So this has like 2 compartments and one small chain. This I bought from H&M and it's a very latest bag. I think it was 5 months ago that I bought this. It's a very classy bag. You can definitely invest in it. You can also find this on H&M's app, the online app. Okay, next is this one. This is a very cute girly bag. It is, as you can see, I have not even opened it because it was gifted to me on my last birthday, which was just in March. And it's a gift, so I don't know what brand it is, where that person has bought it from, but it's really very special to me. So then next is this one. This is a crossbody bag. I can also use it like a shoulder bag. This is from Forever 21 and this has like one compartment in it only. This I think is 1 year ago I bought this. I don't know whether they still have it or not. At that time they had a red in it as well, red color. So yeah, this is also very you can carry it for parties or as well as you can carry it for casual days. Okay, next is this one. I absolutely love this bag. This is from H&M. So when I always admired Rachel from Friends and she used to have such bags. So when I found this on H&M, I just couldn't resist and buy this. This also has a red color in it. I'm not very sure whether they still have it on the app or not, but I saw it pre-lockdown. I saw it in the stores, so you can see it. It's a very nice and classy bag. It just has like one compartment, but it's very good for parties and all where you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. You can go and invest in this. Okay, next is this one. This is also a very casual bag and has one compartment. This is from Alvaro Costagnigo, and this is from Myntra. I bought it from Myntra. This was last year, so yeah. Then this one. This is very classy. I love the feel of this bag. It has one compartment. This is from DKNY. I am not very sure. It was bought from America from my uncle side. So yeah, this is from DKNY. It's very classy. I love this. Okay, next is this one. This is also for like casual outings, for shopping and all. This has a silver chain. I love the chain. I bought the bag for the chain actually. And this has like one compartment. It has a magnetic closing here, and I don't remember the brand. Honestly, I don't remember the brand. I got it from Myntra somewhere. Okay, next. This is the most latest bag I have. It was delivered 2 days before the lockdown began, and I couldn't use it at all. This is from Zara, and this will be the first bag I'm going to use after the lockdown ends for sure. Alright, so this has like 2 compartments and 1 chain compartment in it. Alright, so next is this very pretty bag. This was given to my mom by my nani, and now I also can use it. So this can be used on like occasions, the Indian weddings and all. And it's a very beautiful bag, as you can see. It just has like 1 compartment. It will not fit in a lot of things, but it's very pretty to carry with Indian outfits. Okay, so next is this. I just wanted to incorporate this in this video because I thought that it's a very cute clutch bag that I have. It's very tiny, nothing much will fit in, but I have bought this from Sikkim. It is their traditional print is there. So yeah, so that's about it. This is the collection that I wanted to show you of my black bags, and I'll just share a quick hack with you. How can you preserve your bags and their quality? These are cloth bags. If you order bags online, you will definitely get this, but if you don't, and if you buy it on the store, then you have these kind of bags, and also Shein bags. When you order stuff online, you can just use them to store them, and also stuff newspaper inside the bag so that the shape is intact. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, share it, like, comment, and also share it with as many people as you can. And leave in the comment section below if you want to see my whole collection of the bags. I'll arrange the whole bags together and make a new video. Also tell me more ideas, whatever you want to see on my channel. And till the quarantine ends, stay home, stay safe, and also after that, just stay safe wherever you go. So alright, I'll see you soon with another video then. Take care. Bye bye.